Hello, we are back. And now we're going to be working on some stained glass. So I've got myself a template. The template slots and perfectly into here, right? This template then can get applied onto that guy. We'll line up our edges, mark out around the corners, cut it, break it, grind it, fit it, rinse, and repeat. So, cue the time lapse. Pow! Boom. We did it. All right. So glass is all ground. Glass is in the door. Both frames fit and sit on top. We just have to glue it and put in the rollers. This is what I got. Bearing in an aluminum housing. It will get, it fits. Let me see here. Whoop. Fits right in the door. So we'll have to cut that out, router it out. 2 of those. And yeah, then we have a sliding door. So till next time, later.